Get excited about the 2018 Toyota CHR.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine.
And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain.
Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.